So, what we have here, boys, is a pretty cool little car. It is a 68 convertible 428 Shelby KR. Pretty bad boy little car for what it is. It's got that big block with some Edelbrock aluminum heads, which is pretty cool. Had some front end damage. Apparently he was out playing with his car and one way or another he smashed into something. I've got most of the frame repair done already. Gonna be replacing this front lower cross member, the core support, and that's all as far as actual welded on parts. Everything else is superficial. Fenders are getting replaced. And then all the headlight buckets and all the fiberglass pieces, they're all getting replaced. The interior on this car is pretty nice. This fella loves Armor All. Got a tack in the dash there, which is pretty cool. Sorry about the bad light. Got that little Cobra on the shifter. Got an oil pressure and an alternator gauge down there. Cobra jet on the dash over there. Cobra there. It's got this cool little roll bar in it. I know you guys can't see nothing. I'm sorry. Let me climb back out of here. Car was originally white, it looks like. I changed it over to blue. So as far as the front end repair goes, we'll be... Oh, excuse me. The fenders, I found NOS fenders for it. Got NOS headlight buckets, NOS lower valance, NOS stone guard, grill. Pretty much everything on the front end. There's a couple bits and pieces that I've got used and a couple bits that I've gotten aftermarket that are just not available, and there's just none that exist to be able to buy. So those will have to be aftermarket for the time being unless I come across some NOS ones or good used ones to use on the car. And it's just little things like the lower radiator brackets that are really goofy on this car for the big block radiator. Wiring harness is going to get replaced in the front. You can see all these wire nuts right here. The harness actually got pinched and it's cut the damn thing entirely in half, so I temporarily put it back together real quick just so I could fire it up and run it and make it move around without having some kind of electrical short. There was a whole bunch more down here that I put some tape on. Each one of these wires that's got tape on it's been broken, and just from getting smashed up against this here. This was before I started doing the frame repair on it. Pushed back about to here. It was kinked pretty good. So now I got to cut that out of there and make sure it stays square and square it all up and weld it back in. And I'll go ahead and spot weld everything just the way it was originally, and by the time I get done with it, you'll never know that anybody ever touched this car. I hate to say it'll be better than it was originally, but as far as corrosion protection goes and that kind of thing, it will be vastly better. Car's got a little bit of rust in it, not too bad. You can see here, you can see the original color on the car. Looks like they wax coated the crap out of everything. So when we paint it, we'll be blending the doors, blending the rockers. The hood got a little bit of damage on it. It's fiberglass, so I'll have to repair that. I'll post another video of that fiberglass repair, how to properly do it and make it so it'll last and never come back. But yeah, pretty sweet car, really. Being a 68 convertible 428 Cobra Jet Shelby, like, it doesn't get much cooler as far as the Mustangs go. But yeah, She's a Shelby. Pretty cool car. Well, thanks for watching, guys. As the repair progresses, I will post a little more about it and let you guys know how it goes. Thanks for watching.